They haven't got a car. They haven't got a car is exactly the same as they don't have a car. So you have two options. You can say they haven't got a car or they don't have a car. The first option, doesn't have, is incorrect because you cannot say they doesn't. Doesn't is exclusively used with he, she, or it. Second option, hasn't got, the same. Hasn't is exclusively used with he, she, or it. Third option, don't has. Don't has doesn't exist. If you're using don't, you need have. Don't have, not don't has. Okay? And the last option, no have, is also incorrect. Because if you say no, you need don't. Don't have.